Hi, it's Gareth here from Friday. I'm sharing today a question that one of our clients asked us last week, which I thought might be relevant to people that are starting out on their journey with Gen AI tools. The question that I got asked was, well, what's the difference between Perplexity and ChatGPT? For those of you not familiar with Perplexity, it's one of the current crop of generative AI tools, and people often don't know the distinction between that and ChatGPT, or specifically not the distinction, but how do I use them, or how do I use Perplexity versus ChatGPT? The best way to explain this, I'll talk about it from our context at Friday, how we use it. We use Perplexity as a replacement for traditional Google search. So if we want an answer quite quickly that's using reliable sources and more is AI augmented search, we'd use Perplexity. So a great example is if we're having to organize meetings with our international clients. So we've got a couple of clients in Germany and Amsterdam. A really good Perplexity query is to convert the time zones. So we want to have a meeting between our two time zones that's at a reasonable hour for both Australia and Munich. ChatGPT, on the other hand, we would use to help create outputs. So in more of an involved conversational prompt-based interaction. So ChatGPT could be something where if Perplexity has helped us find the right time zone, ChatGPT is helping us create the agenda and suggest approaches for that client meeting. So that's a simple way that we're making the distinction between the two. So if you're curious about Perplexity, try it out over the next couple of weeks. And whenever you would go and use Google, use Perplexity instead and see if it's better, or if you get better results, if it's a more user-friendly tool for you, which is different to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT we often use to make outputs and use as more of a deeper interaction with our business. If you do have any follow-up questions for this, drop those questions in the comments below, or I'm happy to send a direct message and answer any queries you might have. Have a great afternoon.